Oba Abdul Fatai Akorede Akamo, the Olu of Itori land in Ewekoro local government area of Ogun State, and the entire people of Itori rounded off the celebrations of the 15th anniversary of his enthronement on the 6th of April 2019. The people of Itori town were all in excitement and happy mood, celebrating the Olu's tale of grass to grace story and humble beginning to greatness. Among other activities at the event was the installation ceremony of Alhaji and Alhaja Olayemi Kazeem Odeyeyiwa as the Babalaje and Iyalaje of Itori land by the Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Olaiwola Adeyemi, and the Alake of Egbaland, Oba Michael Adedotun Gbadebo. Other traditional rulers present at the event include the Oni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, the Elegushi of Ikate, Oba Said Elegushi. Other royal fathers drawn from Ogun and other states were also present. Aliko Dangote, ably represented by Chief Edwin, and many more. The Oba was honored with a degree by the European American University, showing that he is the first Oba to be honored in his hometown.
Here with Professor Reverend Oluwalo, all from the European American University, all African operations in Ghana. We have recognized the immense contribution of Akamo'S, His Royal Majesty, to humanity and to the Itori community.
To add to the merriment, K1 the Ultimate thrilled the guests with some entertaining music.
Oh,